Alright. My name is Myranda Sanchez. I'm going to be talking about how sugarcane is grown. Sugarcane is believed to have originated in the South Pacific before brought by travelers during the continent to eastern and North Africa, Middle East, India, China, and Malaysia and New Guinea. It has been cultivated for 2,200 years. Sightings of sugarcane were first seen by the army of Alexandria in India around 326 BC. By the time it reached Spain in 1150 AD, over 74,000 acres had been harvested. By this time, it had made its ways to a lot of the Caribbean countries, South America, Europe, and Africa. It was found in any tropical climate with the right soil condition that could grow sugarcane. The 1980s sugarcane harvesting has become a successful and viable industry that 30.8 million tons of molasses is produced, with 5.2 million tons of originating from Brazil. Sugarcane harvesting came to the United States about 200 years ago. With Proceed's mills growing in Louisiana, sugarcane was first brought to Louisiana by Jewish priests in 1751. The first meal was produced by Eli D. Bonn from a sugarcane crop in 1795. The first years of harvesting, Louisiana produced about 300,000 tons of sugar per year. Sugarcanes are planted in furrows at either horizontal or at 45-degree angles. It takes anywhere between 12,000 to 25 steams to plant 2.5 acres of land. After they are planted, they are covered with a light layer of soil. When they begin to grow and start sprouting, the furrow is turned inwards and the crops mature over the span of 9 to 24 months. Seeds can be planted by hand or by sugarcane equipment that cuts these canes into settles or billets and plants them in furrows. Before canes are harvested, they are burned to remove any leaves or weeds that accompany them. A more modern method has developed where harvesters make their way up the rows to remove leaves and weeds. Anywhere from 8 to 12 months, a sugar system, also known as a settle or seed piece, is cut from the sugar cane. It is more desirable to cut the stem from the upper third portion of the cane so that the maximum sugar content. It's also a 4-year crop. The months of July and August is when you plant them. There are different varieties and can be planted. Different soils that varieties can be planted in. Sugarcane is harvested in the months of September to December. Usually sometimes the cane will be harvested until January. After harvest, first year and 2 years, stubble will regrow. A hard freeze may stun the crop, but it will regrow during the months of April and May. The land is cultivated and fertilized. The cane is busted out and stumbled in the RC beds. Prepared to plant the cane, the land is then cultivated to Barely.